Hi everyone, and welcome to your midterm review. I am shocked that we're already at the point of reviewing for midterms, and I want to be very upfront about what that midterm exam looks like. You don't necessarily need to take notes on this PowerPoint because you have this information in your packets, but please pay attention to it. Also pay attention to any announcements that are being made at school about the midterm schedule because you honestly never ever know what is going to change. Let's take a look first at what does the midterm exam look like. When we look at what the midterm exam looks like, the part one is multiple choice. It's 80 questions, 27 stimulus-based, looking at 8 documents, and 53 regular ABCD questions. These are questions that you're used to getting on your regular unit tests. That's 80% of the midterm. The second part is your written response. You're going to take a look at 9 documents and you're going to write 1 response using at least 4 of those documents. All right. When you come in for your midterm, this is what your answer sheet is going to look like. It's going to have your name here. You're going to do some pre-writing here, looking at the documents, filling out a chart, which you guys are very used to at this point. And then the second part is constructing your essay. So you're going to be writing an essay about a historical theme. As always, let's take a look by starting at the packet that I've left for you. This is all of the information that I have left for students in the past for midterm reviews. So I'm pretty confident that if you complete this, you are going to do well on your midterm. But you also need to study and ask any questions. First thing I'm asking you this week is that if you have any questions about midterms, you reach out to me at this link. I'm afraid that if you each send me emails, I'm going to miss those emails and not respond to them. So please submit any questions you might have to this link, and you can submit it more than once. I also asked you to please read the format of the midterm and all of the directions, which you will find within the review guide. I've included midterm reviews unit 1, 2, and 3 here for you, as well as Kahoots, and then your overall midterm exam review, highlighting which crash courses deal with this, as well as the chapters in your textbook. You do need to go through and explain each person in term. This should be very easy if you've been holding on to your review guides, as I've been telling you to do throughout the year. You'll notice there are 28 questions from our first unit, 20 questions from the second, and 32 from the most recent. Don't worry, because I will take a look at these questions again and make sure you've been equipped to answer them while I am out. If you haven't, I will do some elimination of the questions, so I will work my hardest to be very fair to you, accounting for the fact that I haven't been in class with you. I did want to include some non-content related vocabulary, so you may see some words on your midterm where you're not used to them. There's a Quizlet that's made for you if you'd like to practice them, because you really can't ask questions during midterms given that the person who is giving you the test is not a history teacher. Everyone takes their midterm at the same time, so you may be tested by someone who is in Spanish or foreign language or something like that, and no one is supposed to answer any questions. We'll scroll down to the second part. These are all of your content-related questions, things that you will need to know. Some of it should look familiar to you, and you will complete this throughout the week. Additionally, next week's video, or maybe a video following up a little bit later this week, I'm going to be going over these questions with you and the answers to these charts. So please make sure that you are completing these as well. So, big things to remind you of is that if you have any questions, make sure that you're submitting them to this link so that I can get back to you and answer them. I wish you so much luck as you are getting ready for midterms, and please let me, Mr. Lummel, Miss Beard, Mr. Gregg, Mr. Headley know if you need anything as you're getting ready for midterms. Have a great day.